This has been my first week living alone. Cooking all of these together. Yummy. It's not bad. Hello you guys, and welcome back to the channel. I have been struggling a lot lately. I haven't really been eating, so I thought it would be a really good idea to do what I eat in a day, so that way you guys can hold me accountable to actually eat. As somebody who doesn't know how to cook and is also living alone for the very first time, I'm just going through a lot of big changes. Kimchi. Today I wanted to make my favorite stew, which is kimchi jjigae. I used to eat it when I lived in Korea for a little bit, and honestly it's just so heartwarming and comforting, which is exactly what I need right now. I also don't have any like measuring cups or spoons, so we're just gonna measure from our heart, which I feel like is the best thing to do anyway. I feel like for a lot of people growing up, their mom cooked a lot, but my mom did not cook anything growing up. We used to eat takeout like every single day. Only thing that we would always have in our house was takeout containers, plastic forks, plastic spoons. That was literally my childhood growing up. I didn't have like a grandma who cooked either, so honestly, like I've just been surviving on takeout for most of my life. I'm surprised that I've even gotten here. This has been my first week living alone, and living alone is so weird, you guys. I think my biggest fear about living alone originally was feeling really lonely, and I can so see how you can feel like that. But also I kind of feel like I don't have time to be lonely because I'm just enjoying my company, working on myself, watching TV, doing my skincare routine. I also don't have any chairs yet, so I'm literally sitting on my couch making food. I've been sitting on my couch to do everything lately, and it's kind of hurting my back, but I live in such a small studio apartment that I don't even know if I will have room for a chair. So right now I'm a couch potato. Ooh. I love making Korean food because I am such a soup gal. I could eat soup whenever, even if I'm not sick, even if it's like hot out and I have to eat it outside. Like I am a soup gal through and through. It's actually my birthday in 2 days, and I was gonna throw like a big party, but I've honestly been going through a lot. So I ended up canceling my birthday party. Now I'm just gonna spend it with my family, and I honestly think that would be really good for my mental health. Pork belly! Oh no, guys, this is such a terrible cut. Oh no. I actually met my neighbor yesterday. I did kind of like an empty apartment tour on my Instagram, and my neighbor found me. How crazy is that? Like I made sure not to put my apartment number. She messaged me, she's like, oh my god, I think I'm your neighbor. And I freaked out because I was like, oh my god, like was I showing everyone my building? Was I showing everyone where I live? And she said that she toured my unit before, so that's how she knew that I lived there, but still, it creeped me out just a little bit. I have this portable grill. I've honestly never used it before, but now that we live alone, we need to figure out everything by ourselves. Oh, there's instructions, you guys. Ready? It's working! It's working, do you see it? Okay, this is literally what living alone is like. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. Perfect. I gotta watch a tutorial. And I need to make the sauce, which I forgot to do. Kimchi. This is gonna be a realistic cooking with me, not inspirational. I'm hoping my fire alarm doesn't go off. I'm cooking all of these together. Gochujang paste. This much? I don't know, we're measuring with our hearts. I only have brown sugar. I feel like so much is happening right now. I'm getting overstimulated. Oh, I think I put too much sugar. Oh my god, I spilled sugar all over the couch. I'm gonna add some fish sauce. Oh no, I'm burning some stuff. The lid. I don't know if the lid is doing anything, but I just need to not be distracted while I make my sauce. Some soy sauce right now. And I'm gonna add some kimchi juice, and then we also need to make dashi broth, which is like water and dashi stock. I don't have a water filter yet, so I've been filling it downstairs, so this is the only water they have for my water bottle. This is what it's looking like. Onion and garlic now, and I'm gonna just add my sauce. Ooh, I messed that up. Oh no. This is what it's looking like right now. It's still looking really full. It's not bad, but it tastes like gochujang really, and sugar. Like there's a lot of sugar. I made it too sweet. But it's not bad, but I don't know if I would say it's good. Yummy. It's still a little too sweet. You live and you learn. And I'm gonna add an egg. That's hot. Oh. Chum. Scallions. This is what it looks like. I need to transfer it to this so that I can have this dish towel. Dun, 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 dun. Cooking is hard, y'all. Stuck. Yes! I made some noodles to go along with it. Wait, it actually tastes a lot better. I made it a little bit too sweet because I measured with my heart. Maybe I will not do that next time. Success! If I had to rate this, I would rate it a, like if I was at a restaurant and I didn't know that I made it, 5. But if I was me and I knew that I made it, I would rate it a 7, you know? Feels good to eat. I feel very not alone because I have you guys. Right now I'm watching the show Better Call Saul. If you like Breaking Bad, it's basically, you know that like schemy lawyer from Breaking Bad? It's basically like his own runoff version. Let's watch it and eat. Hello, hello, hello. It is dinner time. It is 7 p.m. right now. I have some plans later to go grocery shopping and go home to grab some stuff. So we're gonna cook right now. With all the ingredients that I have, I thought we would make a kimchi garlic fried udon with an egg on the top. This one seems easy. I have faith in us for this one, you guys. The other one wasn't bad, but it wasn't that good. This time, oh man, I shouldn't have combined this together. I have no chopping skills whatsoever, but you know what? You live and you learn, you practice. So the reason why I'm going home later is because I have to pick up some stuff. I also have to go grocery shopping. I'm hosting a barbecue for my friends tomorrow. It's only like probably 5 of us, so it's not a crazy barbecue, but I wanna get some like Korean kalbi. Ready, guys? Yes! The fire! Okay, amazing. It's hot, it's hot. Ooh. Like hot and okay. That was so fast, you guys. Did I make the most perfect runny egg? No. This is the egg. Quick. I'm scared. Open the window. Salt, pepper, so it's looking like this right now. Then, oh my god, I hope my fire alarm doesn't go off. Kimchi and onions. Smells so good. Measure with my heart, but a whole spoonful, maybe 2. I'm not kissing anyone today. She's not super cute, but it's okay. We don't need her to be super cute. Udon? Yes. Pepper. Butter. Smells really good too. Scallions. You guys, I'm kind of proud. That was really easy and it honestly looks pretty good. Plating. Okay, I dropped the knife, but it didn't hurt me. Ah. Perfect. Ooh, this knife really scared me, you guys. Whew. What do you think? I honestly think it looks really great. For someone who doesn't know how to cook, okay? It's definitely not Master Chef material. I did forget to cook some of these onions, so let's just look at this side, okay? I'm gonna rate it how I would rate it at a restaurant, and I'm gonna rate it how I would rate it knowing that I cooked it. Cheers, you guys. Okay. At a restaurant, I would honestly give this a 6 out of 10. Only because I feel like I didn't add a sauce. It's a little bit bland. I think I should have done like a cream sauce or like a mushroom sauce. But knowing that I cooked this, I would give myself an 8.5. I'm watching Love Island right now. I'm such a reality show girl. I live my life very, very drama-free. So this is the only way I get any tea. Honestly, cooking with you guys really made me want to cook more and want to eat more. And I know that I am not the best chef, but I think with practice comes perfect. I hope this inspired you guys to eat. Now for dessert, I am having some cherries. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Love you all so much, and I hope you guys have the most amazing day. See you next time.